My name is Kiante Ariel. I am reporting on the Julio Foolio Murder Trial. Today was day one of Alicia Andrews' trial. And my video that I just recorded, that was 10 minutes long, erased. So please have some grace with me as I just threw away all of my notes. So we're gonna go off the top of the dome. Court started pretty late today. It was due to a very bad accident. And with this extra time of us having to prepare the courtroom, Miss Kristen needed help. So she asked me to help her with one of the cameras that were located right by the judge's podium. Yes, I was at the judge's podium. I am the reason why you guys seen some of the angles that you saw. Cool, right? Alicia Andrews came in. She had on a soft pink blazer again, and she had a slick back bun. Her defense team, they had about 8 people today. And I seen you guys' comments stating that one of her female attorneys is her mother. That is not that girl's mom. Don't act like y'all don't have somebody out here that you look like, that you're not related to. Example me, Halle Berry. Then Julio Foolio mom walks in. She doesn't walk in no later than 9:15. I mean, baby, she was in there, in the building. She came in, sat in the middle, demeanor, like head up, shoulders back, like a G, man, a real G. Of course, she was emotional and she did step out a few times during certain things. But for the most part, man, a strong black queen, for sure. Now we're gonna talk about the 4 witnesses. The first witness name was Aaliyah, and she came down here with one of Julio Foolio's homeboys, I guess, and she dated Young Inace's brother. So that was like the little whispers in the courtroom was like, oh wow, she dated somebody from the ATK and the 6 block. But for her, 6 block and ATK, they're not gangs. It's just a group of boys. She's not familiar with it. She don't have no dealings with it. She's not in it. And then you had Gino, or Julio Foolio's close friend of 10 plus years that he considered his cousin. Now he walks in sobbing and shaking. I'm like, ooh. And we had to get, we had an alert about him prior to him coming in there, because they were just like, the alert was he's very emotional right now. So he got up there sobbing, man. He was sobbing, y'all, and the judge had to excuse the jury to talk to him, to basically say, hey, you have to control the emotions. I understand that looking at the images and stuff, it's gonna bring back things, but I need you to be able to talk with not a lot of emotion, so that you're not persuading the jurors. You get what I'm trying to say? So yeah, and he was shot in the arm. Okay, and so then we got to the 3rd young lady. She was very soft-spoken. Oh, and they also asked him, is 6 block a gang? Is ATK a gang? He said no, he's not into that. I work. I was just coming down here to celebrate with my best friend, basically. And then we get to the young lady, very soft-spoken voice. She also, I don't know what 6 block is. I don't know what ATK is, baby. I'm just a girl. That girl came in there and used the Instagram quote on y'all ass, okay? Yeah, I got a shirt that say I'm just a girl. That's crazy. So then Kanika comes up, and was different for what I noticed. The difference is that she was very well spoken, really pronounced her words, and what stood out? Oh God. Oh, when they asked her, is 6 block and ATK a gang? She said yes, a gang, a group of boys. That's what I know. Like a group of boys. So I'm not in it. Like, I'm not a gang member. I have listened to drill rap, but that's just not really my thing. If anything, I was just coming down here to Tampa to chill with my homegirl, Aaliyah. We was going on a girls trip. That's what that was. And they started showing more footage, of course, and they started to inform us that they were able to get these angles due to a Tesla 360 cameras, Ring cameras, and a system called Flock. Yes, Flock Safety, a licensed reader camera system used by neighborhoods, businesses, and police departments to track vehicles by their tags. And with that, also, they was saying Young and Nate's name so much. So much. And y'all know, well, at first they wasn't saying his name correct way, but then they started saying Kiante. And I'm like, God damn. I wonder if anybody else know that my name in here is Kiante. And yeah, other than that, oh, I was able to meet Julio Foolio's mom. I gave her a hug. I gave her a strong ass hug. She was probably like, damn, this girl is hugging me tight. I just want to say thank you so much for even accepting the hug, because she could have been like, I ain't fucking around with nobody. I ain't talking to nobody. Don't talk to me unless you got money. Like, she really could have been on that type of time. But all in all, y'all, this is a very sad situation. Again, I'm here to do structured and entertaining recaps. I am not here to do anything for the hype, for the clout, for the clicks of I see a lot of people posting stuff, especially from my city, with no standards, no boundaries. That'll never be me, and never was me, and never will be. So I hope you guys are enjoying my recaps. I really want to start going live. I'm just a little nervous. My dad tells me I can do it, but for now, I'm just recording and editing. Maybe tomorrow it'll be different. I will be at the courthouse very early in the morning to do some troubleshooting with our equipment so that we can be live for you guys, because I would love to be live and in the chat room with you guys discussing the shit, discussing the trial while it's going on, right? Yes.